I'll show you the installation of this one, and we'll be using this manual, the Doorbell 3 Plus. I will hardwire this to the existing doorbell, but when it gets to 90%, it will trickle charge, so it's not enough to really run on my 12-volt doorbell Ring. It has this battery. I will charge that. Pull this. Push to pull out the battery. And what does it say here? Charge before use. Take this out. I'm gonna use this one. Orange cable here. And what's the amp on this one? 3.6. I can use this USB of my cable charger, phone charger. And let me charge the battery. According to the guide, charging and fully charged will turn this into green. Let me plug. So color is orange and green. It will charge, I don't know how many minutes. We'll see. It doesn't say how many minutes. So we'll time it. I have the time on the charging and I'll let you know. So if I'm mounting it on the existing doorbell, it should be at least 4 feet or 1.2 meters above the ground. The motion detector is within the 4 feet, and camera field of view is good enough to cover, I guess, even the sky. But anyway, we'll see if my doorbell is 4 feet. This one is only 3 feet, so we will extend it 4 feet so I can see the face, and I'm gonna angle it. I'm gonna use this like that. That's the motor, flat screw driver. Let's remove the old ring. Okay, we got this. We don't want to expose the ring, so we have to, oh man. So here's my plan. I'm gonna make a groove here, chiseled it away. This is just wood. Instead of removing this and fishing it in all the way, that's harder. So this is the tool I have to cut through a groove. So this is what I have done. I made a groove. I'm gonna cover it with something nice, and it will go right there. I have a small wire also for 12 voltage, 12 volts. It's low voltage anyway, so we're good. So I have already disconnected the breaker switch, although this is 12 volts only. It's okay to be safe. Let's see. See, you can't hear the sound anymore. So we'll use this wire and put it here on the 4 feet marker. Let's now remove this one. This is my existing doorbell. Bye bye to my existing doorbell. There you go. More working space. There. 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 Okay. I'm gonna have some tape in here to remove some exposure. I'm gonna use the angle. Put it here. Something like that. Ooh, it's too short. Mark here and mark here. Put the other one. There you go. So we're gonna connect this here and using the small screw in bag C. Let's do that. First, let's remove this. And then you can see a slot here and here. Two of them. We'll set it up here. And also this one. So 4 screws. Let's connect the wire first. So we'll make a J on this. Both of this. There you go. Okay, we have those intact. Let's get the screw from bag C. See the C. So let's remove this. Finally, after an overnight charging, it's about more than 10 hours I guess. Now it's fully charged. Okay, this battery is fully loaded.
Your Ring device is in setup mode.
So I turn on the breaker switch. Let's see. You hear that? Let me open the door. So I have to secure the faceplate using one of these from bag B. So let's add the finishing touches. I found this. This is actually the Lowe's paint stirrer that you get for free. This is exactly the size I want to cover this. Not to hit the wire, so we'll do it on the side here. Let's see. Just wanna make sure. We have to drill. The paint of the door. Paint it. There you go, folks. Completing the project in one afternoon.